pieces are original and restored. July 27th or 28th, just taking a quick test drive. You could hear the motor. There's no rattling. Suspension's all brand new. Supercharger whine. Shifting is smooth. Brakes are really tight.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on Monmouth Boulevard.
The clutch and flywheel, brand new. The differential is custom built, 323 gearing, which I happen to love for around town driving. The drive shaft new. The rear subframe has welded mounts on to support the extra boost. Everything. If you take a look at pictures underneath the car, it's insane. It's all brand new. Bushings, shock mounts, everything. Very smooth. So something's wrong with the car, I'll tell you everything. In the very rear by the trunk, where the trunk closes, there's a little rust there. The two front rotors, actually I bought them like that, I just never returned them. They're StopTech. I think they're warped because little vibration when I step on the brakes coming from the front. And the first gear isn't, to put it in first gear, watch. Little hard. I mean, once it goes in, that's it. But from take your foot off the clutch, put your foot on the clutch, watch. Little hard. That's all. Listen to the whine. But that's it. Everything else, brand new. You can see the interior is very clean. Steering wheel cost me a pretty penny from Germany to match this, to match this. Pioneer with CarPlay, using my phone so I don't have it hooked up. You could see even has maps when it's not plugged into the phone. The cluster, everything is brand new. Look at the stitching on here. Alright, so I'm going to do my best to go over a few things with this car. So I've had this car since I was 16 years old. At that time, insuring a 16-year-old with an M3 was a little difficult. My father owned mechanic shops his whole life, so there was a 318 IS shell sitting on the lot, and at that time my father was teaching me a lot about mechanics. So over the years we started to build this car. As I started to make more money, I did more aggressive things. Firstly, starting tinted the windows, sound system, navigation, rims. As I made more money, I started to do the dropped a new engine in it, rebuilt had a brand new from Turner Motorsports custom diff with 323 gearing, suspension. You could see Bilstein sport shocks, H&R Springs, sway bars front and rear. Every single nut and bolt on this car is M3 or better. We welded rear subframe supports because the M3 has an issue with the subframe, especially when you're adding more power. So you could see cosmetically, tinted windows, glass headlights with LED angel eyes. There is HIDs. You can see the tires. Basically, everything that was done to this car is top of the line. The steering wheel almost cost me $2,000 from Germany. The shift knob was like $100 or $200. The carpets, the entire inside was redone. So if you have any questions, you let me know. Every single thing that could be done to this car has been done. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Had the car my whole life, just had a baby, and it's time to sell it and get a safer car, a car that we could put a child seat. So that's it. I hope this video helps you guys.